Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the on record video channel. Today we are going to disable Cortana. Actually, Cortana is the voice assistant of Windows. It's a great app if you have enough resources. But in the potato PC or low-end PC, it causes problem because it consumes system resources and hamper PC performance. That's why it needs to be disabled. So, no more talk. Let's do it. First, press Windows and R key together to open run. Then type gpedit.msc. Then press enter or hit OK. In the local group policy editor, expand administrative templates under computer configuration. Then expand Windows components. Now scroll down and find out search. Select search, then go to right side and find out allow Cortana. Double click on it. In the new window, select disable, then apply and OK. After this, Cortana will be disabled. But if you still face the problem, then again press Windows and R key on the keyboard to open run. Then type regedit. In the register editor, expand H key local machine. Expand software. Scroll down and find out policies. Now select Microsoft and right click on the mouse. Then select new and key. Type Windows search. Press enter and select Windows search and go to right side. Right click on the mouse, select new, then dword 32 value. Rename this allow Cortana. Double click on it. Value data 0, then OK. So that's it today. Thanks for being here.